So I wanted to come on here quick and answer this question. She said, just check that I'm still blocked on Instagram and it broke my heart. Please motivate me to persist. It's been months. So there's a few things that we need to talk about. The first thing is, by you saying just checked that I'm still blocked on Instagram, that is not living in the end. That is two different states. There's a state where you are living in your mind as if you are living with that person now, and there is another state where you are not with that person. If you are truly living in the end, you would not be checking the 3D, because in your mind, you are with that person. So if you are with that person, would you be checking to see if they blocked you? Absolutely not, because you're with them. If you are checking their Instagram obsessively and wondering if they blocked you, that is not trusting that it's done and they are yours and you are with them now. The 3D is just a reflection of all your old thoughts and assumptions. So the more that you keep checking to see if you are blocked, the more that your 3D is going to keep showing you this reality where you are not with this person. The other thing is, you just said that it's been months. So if you keep track of how long it's been that you haven't talked to your person, the more that you are creating time in your reality. You are telling your subconscious mind that it's been this long since I've talked to that person. So your subconscious is saying, oh, okay, this person and the other person, they're not together. You really need to understand that the 3D does not matter whatsoever. You persist in your mind as if you are with them now. How would you feel if you were with them now? What would you be doing on a daily basis? You embody that version of yourself that is with that person now. Do not worry about anything else. Then just continue persisting in your new thoughts and assumptions that align with what you desire, and work on your self-concept. And then once you shift within, then your outer reality shifts. So stop checking their social media and seeing if you're blocked. The more you do that, the more you are delaying your manifestation. I hope this helps. Follow me for more tips.